My name is Anne Ridgway. I'm Director of Kids Avenue Furniture, Scandinavian House. Before we had Stream, we were running our wholesale furniture business virtually on an Excel spreadsheet. Every day was a logistical challenge, nightmare of orders, where they were going, whether the stock was in, whether the stock was not in, and mountains of paperwork. So in conjunction with Proximity, Stream was developed, which has been fantastic basically. So all our orders are there. All you do is put in the order number. You can see when the order came in, if the stock's there, whether it's out for delivery, how it's going, which courier it's going with. Just like that, when someone rings up, so you always know what you're talking about. Another big benefit is as soon as it's delivered, we can invoice straight away. So the minute we've got that signature there on Stream, we get a notification and we can invoice, which is obviously brilliant for cash flow.